નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. ડિયર ચિલ્ડ્રન, continuous of chapter continuous of chapter number 10, India agriculture. Our next topic is wheat. You know very well about the meaning of the wheat. Wheat, it means gawa. Wheat is the second important crop of our country after the paddy. Dear children, you know very well that the wheat is the second important crop of our country after the paddy, and already we have to learn about the paddy. Wheat is the grown over 1/3 area of arable land of our country. What they have to say that, dear children? They have to given that wheat is grown over how much portion in the 1/3 area of arable land of our country. Which one? Arable lands of our country. It is the substantial food of the people of the northwest India. What they have to say that? They to say that it is the one kind of the substantial food. Substantial, it means main, mukhya food of the northwest India. Wheat is a rabi crop of temperature zone. What they have to say that? Wheat is a rabi crop of which zone of temperature zone? What was the meaning of temperature zone? Temperature zone, it means समशीतोष्ण कटिबंधीय. It requires the black or fertile loamy soil. Which kind of the soil the wheat has required? The wheat has required the black or fertile loamy soil. It means કાળી કે ફળદ્રુપ ગોરાડું જમીન. And it requires more than 75 semi of annual rainfall. How much annual rainfall required for the wheat? The annual rainfall required for near about 75 semi of the annual rainfall. Wheat can be grown in the region of the lesser rainfall with the irrigation. What they have to say? Wheat can grow in the region of less rainfall but with the help of the irrigation facility. Wheat cannot be grown in the area of receiving more than 100 semi rainfall. What they have to say that? They have to say that the wheat cannot be grown in the area which area receive the more than 100 semi rainfalls. Less labor force is required as less labor is required for mechanization. What was the meaning of mechanization? Mechanization, it means yantrikaran is introduced in the wheat cultivation. It means maximum, nowadays the maximum farmer use the advanced technology for cultivation of the wheat. After the green revolution, the wheat production is almost doubled. Now what happened then? After the green revolution, the wheat production is almost double. Wheat cultivation is carried out mostly in the Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh. These all are the name of the state where the wheat production is so much used. The state contribute about the 2/3 of the total national production. What they have to say that? They have to say that this state, Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh, contribute about 2/3 of the total national production of the wheat. Is their irrigation facility in the state, there is a more per hectare production. What they have to say that? They have to say that here the irrigation facility is there. That's why what happened, that more per hectare production is there. Due to the canal water in Punjab, there is a abundant wheat production. Here what happened, that here the facility of the canal water in the Punjab, that's why here the abundant. What was the meaning of abundant? Abundant, it means vipul, bahut matra mein wheat production. That is why Punjab is also called the wheat bowl of India. Which state is also called the wheat bowl of India, dear children? Punjab state is also called as a wheat bowl of the India. Wheat is also produced in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and West Bengal. These all are the name of the state where the wheat production is done. Valia wheat is produced in the Bhal region of the Gujarat. Which one? Valia wheat. This is the most important for the board examination. Valia wheat is produced in the Bhal region of the Gujarat. Beside Mehsana, Rajkot, Junagadh, Kheda also produce the wheat. among the food grain used in the daily meal, wheat is the best. If we have to see about the day to day life, then we all are using as a food grain in the daily meal, but in the daily meals we are using the wheat is the best one. Many items like roti, bhakri, sev, siro, lapsi, ladu, sukhdi, bread, puri, cake, biscuit, etc. are prepared from the wheat. These all are the name of the things, that all things was to be prepared out of the wheat. Which one? Roti, bhakri, sev, siro, lapsi, these all are the name they have already given. This all things was prepared from the wheat. Among all the grains, wheat is the most nutrition. If you have to see, among all the grains, then wheat is the most nutrition, and that is why we can say that wheat is also called as a king of the grain. Wheat is called as a king of the grain, then wheat is also called as a king of the grains. Dear children, now they have to given about the map of the India, and here see India's agriculture crop. They have to given the map of the paddy as well as the wheat production of the map. Here you have to see that this kind of the line show the production of the wheat, and this kind of the line show the production of the paddy. Paddy, it means the rice. Now they have to say that jowar, bajra, maize and barley are the major crop grains grown in India. This is the error, dear children. Here the main crop grains grown in the India. These all are the name. Now next they have to given about the meaning of the jowar. Jowar is the most produced grain in India after the paddy and wheat. What they have to say that, dear children? They have to say that jowar is the most produced grain in India after the paddy and wheat. This crop is grown very widely in the dry and less rainy region of southern peninsula. What they have to say that? They have to say that this crop is grown in very widely in the dry as well as the less rainy region of southern peninsula. Southern peninsula, it means Dakshina Uch Pradesh. Jowar is the both Kharif and Rabi crop. Jowar is the both Kharif as well as the Rabi crop. Now temperature between 25 degree to 30 degree Celsius required, and it require 125 centimeter of the rainfall. How much? It required 25 degree to 30 degree temperature, and 125 centimeter rainfall is required for the jowar. And black and loamy soil are favorable condition. Which kind of the soil are required? Black and loamy soil. Black and loamy soil, it means કાળી અને ગોરાળુ જમીન are favorable condition. It produce in, now where it is produced? It produce in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat state. Maximum farming of the jowar in Gujarat is done in Surat and Tapi district. Here the Gujarat state, in Gujarat state we can say that the maximum farming of jowar Gujarat in Surat and Tapi district. After they have to given about the information of the millet. Millet, it means bajri. Millet is considered to be the grain of labor. Which is considered to be the grain of labor? Grain of labor, it means श्रम जीवियों धान्य. जो लोग लेबर वर्क कर रहे हैं वो लोग ज़्यादातर कौन सी चीज़ का यूज़ करते हैं खाने में? कौन से ग्रेन का? मिलेट्स. मिलेट्स, इट मीन्स बाजरी, बाजरो. It is grown in the region having the temperature between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. How much temperature is required for the millets, dear children? It requires the 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. And how much rainfall it required? It required the rainfall between 40 to 50 centimeters. And the light sandy soil. Which kind of the soil it required? It required the light sandy soil. Light sandy soil, it means halki retal jameen. Major state producing the millets are, now which are the major state who produce the maximum millets? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. These all are the major state who produce the maximum millets. Here Banaskantha district in Gujarat lead to the millets production in Gujarat. In Gujarat, which district has the highest production of the millet? Then Banaskantha district of the Gujarat lead the highest production of the millets. Next they have given about the, dear children, maize. Maize, it means makai. This is the kharif crop. Maize is a one kind of which crop? It is the kharif crop. Maize is most grown crop in the world after the paddy and wheat. If you have to see about the world level, which level? At the world level, the maize is the most grown crop after paddy and the wheat. Maize is grown in the more in hillish area. In which area? The hillish area. The maize is more produced, and it is the staple food of that paper. Staple, it means mukhya of that hillish people. Maize contain the starch, oil, protein, biofuel, etc. This all things was to be all contents was available into the maize. So it is used more in industrial production. That's why what happened there? It is more useful in the industrial production. Here slopy it means thoda wadi jamin. Slopy, black, hard, rocky, and the water having the gentle flow, more suitable for its cultivation. If you have to cultivate that, it require which kind of the land? Slopy, black, hard, and the rocky, and have a water having the gentle flow are the more suitable for its cultivation. Rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter. Maize has required 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall, and it required 21 to 27 degree temperature are the favorable factor for the maize. It used in increase an animal fodder. Now what happened there? The maize is also used increase in the animal fodder. Animal fodder, it means pasu ahara, dhani and the oil. Which one? Dhani. It is increasingly used as an animal fodder. What happened that? But maximum the maize are used for the as an animal fodder after making the popcorn. Popcorn, you know very well, dhani. For the, and also they are using for the edible oils. Major state producing the maize are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. These all are the major state. These all are the name of the major state who producing the maize. These all are the name of the states. Now, if you have to see only the Gujarat, then Gujarat, the maize is grown more in the Panchmahal, Dahod, Sabarkantha, and the Arauli district. What they have to say? If you have to see only the Gujarat, in Gujarat, where is the maximum production of the maize? Then in Gujarat, the maximum production of the maize are in Panchmahal, Dahod, Sabarkantha, and Arauli district. Thank you for joining us.